Welcome to the peaceful forest. It's time to put the forest animals to bed. Would you like to help? Let's go and see who's still awake. Hello, dear. She has been gracefully wandering through the forest all day, and now she's feeling sleepy. Can you say good night to the deer and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, dear. Hello, owl. He has been flying silently under the moonlight, watching over the forest. Can you say good night to the owl and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, owl. Hello, rabbit. She has been hopping around the forest, playing with her friends all day, and now she's ready to rest. Can you say good night to the rabbit and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, rabbit. Hello, fox. He has been exploring the forest paths all day, searching for hidden treasures, and now he's tired. Can you help tuck the fox in and wish him a good night? Good night, fox. Hello, bear. She has been enjoying the sunshine and munching on berries all day, and now she's feeling sleepy. Can you say good night to the bear and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, bear. Hello, squirrel. He has been gathering nuts and climbing trees all day, and now he's ready to sleep. Can you help tuck the squirrel in and wish him a good night? Good night, squirrel. Hello, raccoon. She has been busy washing her food and exploring the corners of the forest all day, and now she needs to rest. Can you help the raccoon get comfortable and say good night? Good night, raccoon. Hello, hedgehog. He has been snuffling through the leaves, looking for food all day, and now he's ready to sleep. Can you help tuck the hedgehog in and wish him a good night? Good night, hedgehog. Hello, sheep. She has been grazing in the meadow all day, and now she's feeling sleepy. Can you say good night to the sheep and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, sheep. All the forest animals are tucked in, sleeping soundly. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about your adventures in the forest today. Good night, little one. Good night, forest.